Oh no!
Always be nice to your friends. You don't have to be mean. You
Whoa!
can share and
Yeah.
play. Sometimes
Pink.
words can hurt and make
Yellow.
your friend unhappy.
Green.
Sharing is caring. Riding a super train, yeah, yeah, yeah. On the train tracks,
Steady.
you'll be
What?
away. I want to be a driver. Chuga, chuga, choo, choo, choo. Delivering some food to you. Chuga, chuga, choo, choo, choo.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Nice.
Huh? Stop! I have an idea.
Always be
Start.
nice to your friends.
Finish!
You don't have to be mean. You can
Let's do
share
this.
and
Go.
play. Sometimes words can hurt
Aha!
and make your friend unhappy. Sharing,
Wow!
caring, helping a friend feels so great. Here you are,
Good.
here you are, my little friend. When everyone is happy, we can have a real
Yeah.
day.
1,
1,
What is this
2.
cool pattern? I
2.
wonder what it does. I think
3.
it can do magic. Let's
3.
check it out. Wow,
4.
I love it. Time to
4.
use it now.
5, 5,
5, 5,
Mama, magic control.
6,
7,
7, 1,
I like pink
5.
and I like blue.
3,
Pink, pink, blue, blue,
1.
blue.
Pink,
Everything
blue,
I like is pink.
yellow,
And
red,
everything
green,
I like is
violet.
blue.
1,
I like pink
5.
and I like blue.
3,
Pink, pink, blue, blue,
1.
blue.
Pink,
Everything
blue,
I like is pink.
yellow,
And
red,
everything
green,
I like is
violet.
blue.
hello.
I like pink and I like blue. Pink, 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 blue, blue, blue. Everything I like is
Wax.
pink. And everything I like is blue. You ruined my day. Oh no, no. What can I do? Ding, ding, dong, bibbidi-boo. Fixing your color,
Yeah.
here we go.
Whoa!
Brush your hair so
Oh no!
Brush your hair so it is
Aha.
nice and soft, oh yeah. Take care of yourself. You need to take care of yourself. Wear clean clothes, clean socks, and you are ready to go. Brush your teeth.
Good
so
job.
they're always- Monkey dance. Monkey dance. Let's wave our hands like a monkey. Yay, wave your hands like a monkey. Side to side, side to side, side to side, jump really high. Side to side, side to side, side to side, up in the sky.
First, take an old greeting card and cut out 2 pictures. Now, carefully cut the present and the teddy in half. paper plate filled with card and tissue paper shapes for the yummy taco fillings. First, take a paper plate, turn it over and paint the back yellow. Then leave it to dry. Then fold it in half. It's now time to add the fillings. I've got tissue paper and card here in lots of different colours and shapes. Here's my lettuce, salsa and sour cream. And how about we finish it off with some cheese strips? Now glue everything in place and glue the other side of the paper plate, fold it over and leave it to dry.